So in one of my last videos, I had showed my first attempt at making one of these Swiffer mop covers. So today I thought I would actually show you that it works. So I'm just gonna sweep my mother's floor. Of course, it's hard to do it with one hand. So far it seems to be working. So in the last video that I did of this one, I had made it for something bigger, but it didn't come out. But it actually fit this thing, so. And then of course, it picks up all the dirt like you would if you had the regular paper, the disposable ones. And so then all you have to do is just take this off and then just rinse it out, and you can wash it in the washing machine.